probably seen produced in the Alsace or in northeastern Italy, to the Pinot Noir. This is a grape that beguiles. It is often the desert island grape and wine that sommeliers, professionals will often say, you know, if I only had one wine to drink, it would be a Red Burgundy or a German Riesling sometimes. Here we have an incredible selection, 6 different wines that represent the region. From, let's say, an entry-level Bourgogne to village-level wines like Nuits-Saint-Georges to a little bit higher end, like the Pommard. We have some amazing diversity of terroirs and the opportunity for you to really kind of understand what is so deep about Burgundy. It takes a lifetime because Burgundy, as vineyards are handed through the generations, they get split up, and so there are literally families of people that own a single row of vines, and they actually produce one. So there's a ton of producers. And I think that's one of the disconcerting pieces for wine lovers and consumers of Pinot Noir and Burgundy is, in part, it's wondering, well, what's good? Is it good? I'm here to tell you, as your wine expert with 25 plus years in the business, I vetted all these wines. We tasted all these wines. We think they all punch above their weight. They all raise eyebrows for various reasons and are worth exploring and drinking and tasting and enjoying and sharing. These are all 90 plus rated or quality wines with high quality winemakers, and they're really representative. They're varietally correct. They are Pinot Noir that is expressive of the place, of the varietal, and not necessarily big or heavy or new world in style, which I think some people would look to a Russian River or a Willamette Valley or even other places like Australia for that style. Here we have the OG Pinot Noir. I know you're gonna love this 6-pack. Come back for more because we rotate the selection. And remember, free shipping is included plus a satisfaction guarantee. Cheers.